Okay, welcome. This is kind of like a little mini workshops in how to go ahead and get the most out of your graphing calculator. I'm using the TI-84 Plus CE, which is the one that they kind of like Texas Instrument is pushing at this particular point, and is probably the most mainstream that which most of you would have. And what we're going to do is that we're going to start off with some fundamentals here. And we're going to start off with, well, it's a graphing calculator, so let's take a look at how to make a graph. So the first thing that you want to do is that you get the y equals, and this is going to pull up this screen right here. And what you want to do is that you want to type in a graph. I'm going to type in a parabola here. So I'm going to say a negative 3x squared plus 5x plus 7. So I'm just kind of making this up right here. So a couple different things that we want to go ahead and understand is that this is always going to be your variables right here. So this x right here and the x right here. I just need to go ahead and hit this variable button right here, and that's going to create the x variable. There's no need to go ahead and fish it out of this area right here, which is your alpha stuff, where you would have to hit alpha and then x to bring it up. So don't need to do that. So that's how we would input a graph. Looking at the, uh, basically what we want to do is that we want to see how the graph is going to be presented on the screen. So one of the most useful features of the TI-84 Plus here is going to be the zoom feature. So we hit zoom, and then we go to zoom standard, and zoom standard is going to bring up a screen, and I'm going to hit enter here. So there's our little parabola here, and mine graphed probably quicker than yours because it's done on a computer versus the actual calculator itself. And you can see the tick marks are going to go -10, +10 to the right and left, and +10 and -10 up and down, or north and south. So here's our parabola right here. And well, we've created kind of like our first graph. So what we want to do is that we want to go ahead and let's do some different things with this, since we have the calculator open and we have our graph of this guy queued up. So what I want to do is that is a, if I want to view the graph from that setting, I just go ahead and hit the graph button, and that's going to go back to the last zoom setting that I have. So if I'm bopping back and forth into different features of the graphing calculator, I would just go back to the graph, and it's going to bring me back to this. So let's go ahead and do some different things with this graph, as we will go ahead and see in the next video.